Hello and welcome back to my channel for another thrift flip. Today we are doing fashionista, cultural icon, singing sensation, Cher. You can't think of 1970s disco fashion without thinking of Cher. And when you think Cher, you think Bob Mackie. Sparkly, gorgeous, outrageous, her raven black hair, her tall, slim Amazonian figure. Cher got her start on the Sonny and Cher show. She became a fashion icon as she was wearing Bob Mackie, the Sultan of Sequins, on almost every episode. She even began to wear them in real life. These iconic looks are still inspiring the runway today and are worn by celebrities like Kim Kardashian.
Cut off the trim at the bottom. We will be using this to make the top. Next, you're going to sew those two pieces of trim together. Now you're going to try the piece on and see how long of a piece you'll need on each side to make the top.
I have a pin here and here, and I'm going to sew this part to this part. Next, sew the side and the front together. Now we have our sides attached, and we're going to want to connect the back piece to it.
Now you're going to sew elastic to the back. You stretch out the elastic as you go and use a zigzag stitch.
You keep pushing me aside and you can't break through. What can you do? I hope you enjoyed today's thrift flip Cher edition. Please leave any comments or suggestions for future flips below. Bye. Thanks for watching.